2, 1, go.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad there's no control.
Yo, what's up? Welcome back. We're on the way to a new spot I found on maps. This guy posted on Instagram. I thought the spot was dead, but his video looked good. Like, it looks like the spot's still firing. So I'm just trying to find my way there. I've got it on maps. I've got a rough idea where it is. I'm 99% sure I know the spot. So yeah, hopefully it's sick. Hopefully it's open. Hopefully no one's there. I get it to myself, and it should be a sick day. It looks prime. It looks good. There's a lot of jumps here. A lot of different tracks to take. Big tabletops, couple of doubles in there. Looks like fun. This dirt is prime. I've had a bit of rain. You know what it is, boys, no dig, no ride. Just fix this lip up a little bit. Alright, let's see what speed we need for this one. Not too bad. Into the berm, up for this big table. Ew. Such a sick little spot. Whoa, put some new fork oil in the other day, so interesting to see how it feels different. Does feel a little firmer. I did put in, I think, 170. Everyone's putting in something different on those fork oils. A little short on that one. It's alright.
Pop in, burn it like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex. We look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home. I got what I wished for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's run legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, you probably not it. All that I did, calls I missed, time I spent. Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love. Checking that tug, out of the mud. Rough only get picked up like a truck. Went in the clutch, that is a must. Wake up, get to it, ain't nothing about it. The only way to it is do it, no way around it. Before we cruising like the Caribbean with mileage. I'ma always be solid, I'm a young brother with knowledge. Go do the science, dog. Always I'm like a pilot, dog. Look at my eyes.
21 kilowatt stock Ultra B launch. 3, 2, 1, go. Not bad, not bad. That's going to wrap up today's video. Sick little spot, few good little hits. Does need some work, and people stop dumping rubbish here. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.